Rarely, if ever, do properties become available like we're about to show you.
It has history, space, it's full of character from the Tudor facade right through to the industrial feel inside. Originally built in the 1950s as a combined church and school, this is an iconic building in the Somerset area. This property has so many options and could be utilised as a large family home as it currently is, or even possibilities for accommodation and B&B options if desired. The land is 1,328 metres squared with potential to subdivide, or you could just enjoy that extra space. Eclectic style kitchen with an exposed brick wall is a huge space and enjoys an open plan dining area with polished floorboards. The grand old staircase leads you upstairs to 5 big bedrooms which all have a nicer outlook, while there is the master suite downstairs, 7th bedroom and study. There are 2 family bathrooms on offer, with the main recently being renovated to a very high standard, enjoying a clawfoot bath, sleek tiles and big walk-in shower. Featuring Axminster carpets, ornate mantles, double glazed windows, reverse cycle heating and cooling and dual living areas. Out the back is a separate rumpus room along with a private undercover entertaining area complete with outside toilets. Parking is well catered for with the double carport and large sealed area. Sit back and relax on the front deck with a cold beverage in hand. Situated in a flat, convenient location with walking distance to the hub of Somerset and beautiful beaches. Such a rare offering. This home is a property that you really need to come and inspect to fully appreciate.
It truly is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity.